Need to jump between Excel files with just one click? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create clickable buttons using text boxes and hyperlinks in Microsoft Excel. First, go to the Insert tab and click Text Box. Draw two text boxes anywhere on your worksheet. Type your button names, such as Go to Sheet or Open Report. Next, right-click the text box and select Format Shape. Give it a nice 3D effect. Change the fill color, outline, and font color to make it look like a real button. Now select the text box and press Ctrl+K on your keyboard. The Insert Hyperlink window will appear. Choose the Excel workbook or another file you want to open, then click OK. Now whenever you click the text box, Excel will take you directly to that file. To return to your original workbook, open the second file. Go to Insert Sheets Icons and insert a home icon. Resize and position it wherever you like. Select the home icon and press Ctrl+K again. This time, choose your original Excel workbook and click OK. Now, clicking the home icon will instantly bring you back to your main file. And that's it. You've created interactive navigation buttons in Excel using Hyperlink. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Excel tips. Thanks for watching.